Our company is a knowledge-based organization. We're a professional services firm, and we essentially get paid by our customers to bring them knowledge of the marketplace, knowledge of the risk, knowledge of coverage, and so forth. And so really what we need to do is be able to deliver knowledge and expertise to the point of action for our colleagues around the world. So as they're walking to a client's office, they have to have the right information right in front of them and have access to the right people right at their fingertips as well. So that's kind of our key strategy. I think it really comes down to the colleagues who are utilizing that collaboration and who need it to do their business, to run their organizations and basically work with our clients. And so let me illustrate that. That could take different forms. So in Asia Pacific, a very highly collaborative environment. In the US, not so much, but growing and becoming more evolved. So it's really going to depend on the need of the individuals and also the local markets. I think it's largely really needs to be need-based. So I think one of the examples we use is our engagement scores reflected a need for more collaboration across the organization, more access to knowledge, more access to other colleagues and their skill sets. And that's really what drove our whole program about 3 or 4 years ago, was the need to raise those engagement scores up and have a very strong backing from the CEO and the chief HR officer and others who really came up and sponsored those activities. But really the goal was to drive those engagement scores up and get people involved in the process, as well as to make them feel better that they're actually getting the resources they need in their jobs. I think because of the commercial market, or the consumer market out there, is people are getting used to collaborating in their lives. They may not realize that Facebook is a collaboration tool, but effectively it is. You're sharing, interchanging ideas with others. Twitter's the same way. WhatsApp in Asia Pacific is the de facto collaboration tool. And people are starting to really kind of live on those tool sets. And I think from a business standpoint, it's changing how people work together. The era of kind of the lone wolf or the big dog, whatever the right term is, people going out and selling on their own or working with clients on their own, that era is kind of going past us very quickly. And as the millennial generation moves up into leadership positions, that's all they've known. And so now's the time to get ahead of this. Otherwise, you're trailing, and your companies are going to be desperately behind by the time those generations move into position.